Non-specialized personnel, tapped for compliance officer roles, often struggle with applying regulations to daily operations, earning buy-in across business units, and advising senior leadership on appropriate policies and controls. Despite willingness, underdeveloped compliance skills spread teams thin. Consequently, regulatory obligations get overlooked until lapses catalyze into warnings, fines, and full-blown scandal. This intensive course provides emerging compliance officers across banking, healthcare, education, and other regulated sectors the knowledge needed to implement sound compliance management programs. Learners will review regulations across jurisdictions, conduct risk assessments, formulate policies, monitor controls, liaise with regulators, lead training efforts, and report to executives with clarity and authority. With enhanced compliance skills, personnel can provide credible counsel that advances ethics, strengthens enforcement, and sustains regulatory resilience enterprise-wide. Team members can springboard careers as trusted advisors, improving integrity and accountability metrics across global organizations. Don't let skills gaps undermine your next generation of compliance leadership. Register now and implement training tailored for rising compliance stars.